fanya hiyo impeachment. Na ikipita hicho kiti kilikuwa na mwenyewe. Si mnajua hivyo? Hiyo kiti ilikuwa ya Professor Kithure Kindiki. We have no doubt whatsoever that Professor will deliver.
Ukora fulani wanataka kukuadaa ati usipangie maneno ya 2022 iko mbali sana. Usidanganywe. Kama tunapangia safari ya mbinguni ambaye tujui itafika siku gani. Tumeambiwa tutaenda mbinguni. Naona mareverend wako hapa, hata baba yangu hapa ni reverend. Wanatuambianga tujipange safari ya kwenda mbinguni na tujui hiyo siku itafika siku gani. Je, itawezekanaje tushindwe kujipanga safari ya hapa duniani ambayo tunajua mwaka, tarehe na siku? Kura itapigwa tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 2022 kuanzia saa 12 asubuhi mpaka saa 11 jioni.
Video ito ya muthenya wa umuthi tugukorwo tukimirongoreria kuri maundu manahanika na hau thutha, tukorwo tukimurika maundu manakorwo makiaria kana maundu twanona makihanika, na haha niho tugukorwo tukimenya kuria Ruto marutanire na Kithure Kindiki, na nyingi tukorwo tukiaririria the 17 hours of negotiation. Na tutathiete he the 17 hours no nyende kumucokia thutha hindi ya campaigns ya 2017. Hindi yo Ruto ari munini wa bururi, nake Kithure Kindiki ni ahoyaga kura kuria mwena wa Meru eta senator, na nituonire President William Ruto agithie ku mwena wa Meru na akimuteithia gukorwo campaign niguo acagurwo eta senator wa mwena ucio. Ni kuonania ati hindi mamenyana ni mamenyanite na hau gabere.
Lakini mimi nataka niseme barabara hii, ngojeni kidogo bwana. Ngojea kidogo. Unaona? Lakini ngojea. Mimi sikusema ati mambo ya kupigiana kura. Mimi nasema huyu Kindiki na huyu ndio walikuja kuhangaisha rais mpaka sub-county hii ipatikane. Sawa? Lakini kura nyinyi mtaamua. Kama namna gani? Mtaamua. Mko tayari kuamua? Mtaamua. Very good.
Tucoke tuke ni tuonire akimusupport na akiuga ni akurugama nake hagikorwo arenda gukorwo akirugama eta president, thutha wake gukorwo akiuga ati ni arona ta aikitio nja ni thirikari ya Uhuru. Na niho Kithure Kindiki ni tuonete ni akorwo akirua bara nene muno kundu nginya ikageria mutongoria wa bururi by then Uhuru Kenyatta miario itari miega.
Kama utainua mambo ya kilimo na utatuletea viwanda, tumesema ni tick na tutakuchagua ukuwe rais wetu. Mnakubaliana na mimi? Mtachagua William Ruto? Wacha nione kura ya hapa ile iko hapa. President Uhuru Kenyatta decided to betray us, and he went and formed a different government that is now clear is responsible for all the messes you're seeing in this country. Akachukua huyu William Ruto akampiga teke, akachukua Kindiki teke, Cecily Mbarire teke, JK Muturi teke, akaenda akashikana na mtu ya kitendawili. And therefore, between 2018 and now, we have been under an illegal government called the handshake government. Kwa sababu rais ni Uhuru, naibu wake ni yule mzee wa kuzimia. Si ni kweli?
Na riria Ruto akorirwo agiform kiama kia UDA kana Kenya Kwanza, niho Rigiji akorirwo akiingirira kana the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua. Na hindi ria gwakorirwo gukirikana kana makorwo makirwo makorwo present aria magukorwo anini ao, na mukioe riu Kenya Kwanza uria umatongoretie ni William Ruto, koguo ni abataire gukorwo akiheana ritwa ria uria gukorwo munini wake. Niho bara yambirie kuhwana teraumira thiini wa kiama, na Kithure Kindiki ona Gachagua ni araheo gite kiu ona atakwenda ni akorirwo akira Ruto ndurabatara mundu wa kinua kinene kana ndurabatara mundu waragia na miario itari miega urabatara mundu uhoreire tani nake Rigathi Gachagua riria akorirwo akigua Kithure Kindiki niwe wakorwo gicagurwo ni members a Kenya Kwanza akorwo agitwika munini wa the president ni akorirwo akiuga we aingirire kiama mbere ya Kithure Kindiki na koguo agirwo gukorwo considered tondu akoretwo thini wa kiama from the word go na ni makoretwo magitwarana wega na Ruto na hau niho hahwanire ta kwina ngucanio thini wa kiama giki gia Kenya Kwanza na wa the 17 hours of negotiation kwari muthenya wa Friday na gugituka koikaine uria ugakorwo akiannouncewo ta munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kiu gia Kenya Kwanza ni Rigathi Gachagua no undu ucio gikorwo members matire okay kana matire comfortable na decision iria yakorwo ikimikwo na koguo kiroko gia Saturday riria kwari kwanirirwo no ugukorwo munini wa mutongoria niho wakorirwo na thigithigi thini wa kiama kiu niho Rigathi Gachagua na Kithure Kindiki makorwo makirwo maume kuria mwena wa Karen andu maikare thi ma make decision ya mundu ria marenda na ni gwagikorirwo gugivotwo na riria andu mavotire kana the members mavotire Kithure Kindiki niwe wakorirwo agishinda after kuvote nigwenda unyite hau mwiroreri na riria akorirwo agishinda DP and the other members kana the committee ya Kenya Kwanza makiona ti wega announce Kithure Kindiki tondu wa reason imwe ndari na numbers kana ndarahota go pull the crowd ndarahota go command the crowd toria Rigathi Gachagua eno hoti ucio na koguo makiona ari wega announce Rigathi Gachagua ariwe munini wa William Ruto na riu that was on Saturday niho William Ruto athire announce na akiuga mona aliwega munini wake akorone Rigathi Gachagua.
The Kenya Kwanza running mate candidate, my brother and friend Rigathi Gachagua.
Na riria aniriirio uguo by then Kithure Kindiki ni umite na gathi fiu arakarite na akiawa na taikia moko tatarenda uhoro wa kiama kiu na riria Ruto announcire Rigathi Gachagua niwe gukorwo munini wake nitwonire mundu ta Anne Waiguru akiaria mena muturi na makiuga kirari kiundu ku make decision ya gukorwo Gachagua niwe ukurugamirira kiama ndirari decision easy ni undu uramatekire so much time na oho William Ruto akiaria na akiuga we ena apologies ya Kithure Kindiki gukorwo ati ndari hau hindio gwake mikagwo the announcement.
The current residents, a vote was conducted. A majority reportedly settled on Kindiki Kithure, but while this happened,
seen the successful conclusion of an extremely robust and intense consultation that I believe leaves no bitter grapes in anybody's mouths.
It was a very hectic couple of days, and in those days, I'm sure everybody knows it wasn't easy. We thank very much our party leader for his patience, his endurance in leading us in this process.
Last night, I enjoyed the marathon of 17 hours because it was down my alley, discussing development, discussing how to change Kenya for Kenyans, not just for a few.
Na nituwe ever since uria wathire na mbere campaign ni cia hurirwo Gachagua mearia na aria na later on tutathiete haraihu muno hindi ya campaign Kithure Kindiki ni ayumiririe na kita andu a press na kiuga nietikira decision iria kiama irakimekire na akiuga we ndari na umundu koguo ni ago support kiama uria wothe mekwenda na matwaranie thabari yo ya campaign na akiuga ni etikira Rigathi Gachagua akorwo akioya ushukani.
At the cups of change
that I will do my best to join our leader, His Excellency William Ruto, his deputy designate, the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, to ensure that we get victory in the elections scheduled for 9th August 2022. I urge all of us in the party, in the rank and file of the party, to support that who supported my candidature, to support our team in order to deliver a decisive victory. My candidature was not about me as a person. It was about the team. We must therefore subordinate ourselves to the greater cause of the team. In my 12 years of public service before I joined politics, and subsequently my 10 years in politics, a total of 22 years, I have been inspired by the philosophy that I would rather not score. I would rather not score for a team that is going to win, rather than to score for a team that is going to lose. For that reason, this philosophy has guided me to remain ruthlessly focused, resilient, and committed to the cause of overturning the ills that bedevil our country and making sure that Kenya Kwanza, through the leadership of William Ruto, is able to usher in an administration that reforms our economy to include as many Kenyans as possible on the economic table. I have always believed in making history. Accordingly, after prayerful soul-searching and reflection, I have decided to remain a loyal and faithful member of our party, the UDA, and the Kenya Kwanza Alliance. I will continue to play my role in the campaign and subordinate myself to the leadership of our party, including...
Na niho ndina kiuria mwiroreri. Kwaga gukorwo Rigathi Gachagua ni maitho ahingirwo. Na agikorwo ni arirwo ndundu na hau thutha. Oywo niguo mahote kuoya thirikari. Maingira thirikari-ini makamuhagura niho moe uria mendaga ariwe Kithure Kindiki. Nake Kithure Kindiki hindi no eyumiria kuga ni etikira uria decision iria Kenya Kwanza ya make. Ni etikirite haga gukorwo erirwo we horera ni ngagubanga twaingira thini wa thirikari kindu kiu urenda ona niwe ndirenda na koguo ni tugetha kiundu wikore we niwe munini wa president. No meciria makwa ndiwe mawoni maku ni mariku mwiroreri. No to me ndrona tari undu wathugundirwo way back ti hindi wathugunditwo gatene na nikio turona ta maundu maya marahanyukirio kuri ithuĩ turona ta uhoro uyu wa ku impeach DP Rigathi Gachagua ta wahanyukio na njira nene muno. Kaundu turonire just a few days ni ya impeach muthenya uyu ungi ni kwarugamio uria gukorwo kimu replace no muhaka mundu akorwo akiyuria ciuria. Na nyingi ni tukiui ati mundu gwitwo Kithure Kindiki ni akoretwo hapa kwa hapa na President William Ruto. Ngiuga guo ndimucokie o thutha hanini. Riria gwakorirwo kwaikio kura the election ya happen ni tuonire William Ruto akianirira na kuga ati the chief agent wa kiama giake kia UDA ni mundu gwitwo Kithure Kindiki. Na ona riria gwakorirwo na presidential petition kuria Supreme Court, mundu uria wakorirwo akioya ushukani ni Professor Kithure Kindiki eta wakiri wa President William Ruto. Na ni mukiwe ni akoretwo agicagurwo thini wa thirikari recently eta CS wa Interior and National Administration. Kumaanisha uyu ni mundu ukoretwo hapa na hapa mena President William Ruto. Tutoe niki ereirwo nikio matahotaga gukorwo magitigithukanio. No na nyingi ndimwire kaundu kangi. no gukorwo oguo akoretwo akirehwo haha hakuhi irari ita njira ya gukorwo akimuhaririria no na nyingi ngorwo ngirikireria njuge just before motion ino ya impeachment ikorwo ikirehwo kuria bunge ni wakoretwo na miario ya different people makiuga mundu uria ungi replace Rigathi Gachagua ni Kithure Kindiki na koguo ni ngumutigana miario ya andu acio ni gumukorwo mukigwa. Asanteni sana.
Fanya hiyo impeachment na ikipita hicho kiti kilikuwa na mwenyewe, si mnajua hivyo? Hiyo kiti ilikuwa ya Professor Kithure Kindiki. We have no doubt whatsoever that Professor will deliver, na Professor atasaidia rais wetu William Samoei Ruto kufanya kazi yake.
Unajua Kindiki ananga maneno ya ukabila. Sasa yule akisimama kila siku lolile adoa nyumba. Huwezi kuwa mtu ambaye ni kiongozi lakini unataka kuongoza kabila moja. Lazima ukuwe kiongozi wa Kenya mzima.